Hello everyone, my name is John. I'm from the A-Team, Team 8395, and we are going to unbox this kit right here. This is the goBILDA Master FTC Kit. So, what are we waiting for? Let's just get right on into it. Okay. So right away, yeah, this thing's heavy. Like, it says what you'll find inside, parts 2000. So, that's a lot of stuff. I don't even know how to okay, here we go. Just get right into it. Oh crap. Sink X-Acto knife. I forgot the sides, I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. So, we have some part directions, some parts, descriptions. Okay. Very thorough. Part numbers, quantity. Cool. Wow, so where we start, am I right? Okay, so just pick some random things up. Ooh, we got some nice omnidirectional wheels right here. You can see that. Wow, very nice quality. Let's just open one up, shall we? Maybe we should get my X-Acto again. Great, so that's some hard plastic right there. Some nice softer plastic kind of wheel. Pretty nice. Okay, some more wheels right here. Got 4. Okay. Battery charger. Ooh. That's nice. So you can see that right there. Okay. Cool. What else is in here? Got some servos. Oh wow. I'm gonna set that off to the side. Maybe I'll come back to that. Okay. More wheels, so different variety of wheels. This is a harder plastic, so it's smooth tread wheel. Okay. More wheels for. Okay. We've got some motors right here. Just take a look at some of this. Oh yeah, this is nice. Planetary gear motor, modern robotics, DC motor. Wow. It's really good. It's kind of already lubricated or something. It's kind of nice. No real sharp edges, so nicely machined. What's this? Has no label. Let's just find out. Oh, it's a battery. It's a little battery. Look at that. Look at that right there. Should I start with some I don't know. So much. I don't even know what to start with. Oh, this channel. That's neat. It's a low side U channel right there. So it has a little bridge right there. That's very helpful because I'm always used to machining stuff down, but this already comes like that. Small plates, so again, you don't have to cut up any big plates or anything. They're very small like that. Very strong. And I like how they have a lot of holes. It's some sort of tube. Very interesting. Yeah, okay, so just so you can see it better, I'll open this one up because this tube's kind of unique. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I've not seen anything like this really. So I don't know if you can go in. So these are threaded holes right here. So you can screw it in, so you can make these tubes pretty strong together. So if you need a little short extension, here you go. It's nice and strong, has interior strength. It's not just a hollow tube, it has interior strength. Okay. What else? We have longer ones, longer tubes, longer tube lengths to go together or whatever. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so you have new channels like that. Very nice. Very nice. Some more plates. Like you want this stuff to be really strong, and I have no complaints. I think it's really nice. And just a disclaimer, whenever I'm showing you guys this stuff, we are by no way sponsored by goBILDA. We just wanted to show our appreciation and unbox some of the stuff. So we are not paid, we are not sponsored or anything. Very strong again, like earlier. Another U channel with a short. So like a 90-degree channel. See that? Right there. L channel. It's nice. It's very nice. All of this stuff is very strong. Very strong. Ooh, I've not. Well, this battery is on. Let's open this up. Dual block mount. I have not seen anything like this before. If you can get a close up of that, it's very interesting. I wonder what you could use that for. I don't know. Looks kind of cool though. Okay. I want you to check out one of these screws. I think they look kind of cool. Oh, crap. So, I don't know if you can look at that. The plate there looks. It's nice. Hold on. Let me just get out something. So here are some two screws right here. This one's from goBILDA. Okay, this one has very small little threads on that. I don't think you can see it. This one's very smooth. Has a flat surface right there. That's very nice. Okay. Well, got some other pieces. So, Not really sure what this is. Looks really cool though. Can't wait to play with all this stuff. Standard size 25 tooth spine hub shaft. Really cool pieces right there. So this is a servo block, standard size 25 tooth spine hub shaft. So I'm actually not really familiar with this stuff. I think it looks really neat though. Like you can see that right there in this. So what I've heard it is that you can put, say, a motor, and you can put it into this, and you see this motor has screws right here, has threads in it, so you could easily screw it onto pieces like this. So it's just a different way you can put motors onto pieces. So I think that's very innovative. So, oh crap. So some things I noticed right away. These cool L flat plates, whatever these are called, they look really cool. Got some nice wrenches right there. Okay, I'm gonna set this back to the side. Just some really nice stuff. So I'll try to get through this quickly, but so you can see everything. Very nice plate right here, so if you need a bigger size. It's very strong, so it has tons of holes, so you can place anything anywhere to your heart's desire. Very strong. Okay, ooh, some more U-channels. This is a very long one. Got some more motors, so it's always nice. Okay, so here is a plastic chain. It's very nice. Feels like it's pretty good plastic. I'll examine this later. Other things in here. Yeah. So I was wrong. Yeah. So these are actually sprockets. They look like gears from the back, but these are actually sprockets. It feels really nice, and I think that's what I think these go together. So we got some spacers here. Very thin, very thin. Okay. There's a bunch of parts in here, so I'm not going to go through all this in this video, but you can read all this stuff online. Ooh, some nice battery nuts right there. Some other stuff. So this is clamping hub. Okay, wow. That's really cool. Okay. A shaft. That's really nice. I don't feel like any give. That's the problem with shafts, because you really want these to be strong after everything else. Like, you can't have these things bending. I think it's pretty strong. So just normal rail here. Nice and really thick. Nice and thick. So, ooh, wow. It's a very thin threaded rod right here. Wow. Make sure you can see that. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, wow, this is pretty strong too. Okay. Some more tubes, some other stuff. So, guess that'll be it for this video. Thank you for watching, and please feel free, check out this stuff. My final impression, a lot of this stuff is really strong, very sturdy. I mean, some of the plastic pieces, I don't know how well they'll do. For certain circumstances, they would work fine, but I don't know. Other than that, I think a lot of these pieces are pretty cool. So, thank you.